Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with John. Today, we're making pretzel burgers. Let's go. I'm using this fucking electric mixer here. 3 3/4 cups of flour. 1/4 ounce packet of original yeast. 2 teaspoons of salt. Teaspoons? Teaspoon. Gonna mix this up a little bit. Heated up some butter and cooled it. Gonna throw it in here. 3 tablespoons of butter. Lukewarm water, fresh from the Hetchy River. Throw it in here. Gonna mix this up some while we wait. I get so fucking tired of hearing myself say that shit. In fact, I'm gonna redo this. So you're gonna mix this up, and while that happens, I'm just gonna push this down to make sure. Uh-oh, something's afoul. That was all mixed up. Need it. I need this dough. I need it. Alright, whatever. Have a shot while I'm doing this. Alright, fine, if you're not gonna take a shot, then I will. Here we go. You knead it into a bowl. And then you throw it back in your bowl and give it an hour to rise. Oh, and cover the bowl with what the instructions say is a tea towel, but just a regular ass towel. Any towel will do. I'm using a kitchen towel, a Halloween kitchen towel. And happy Halloween, everybody. Alright, so it's been an hour. Let's see if our dough has doubled in size. And it has not, because I forgot to fucking put it in 100-degree weather. So we're going to take this, and then we're going to take this. It wants us to put a towel over it. So I'm going to throw it in the fucking oven. So let's hope I don't start a fire. Start the fire. 100 degrees. My oven only goes to 170. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this dough in the oven like so. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn it back off and on and on and off. 60 minutes. Here we go. Alright. Alright, I get 1, 2, 3, 4 cups of baking soda ready. And 4 cups of water. Our dough's probably about as big as it's gonna get. So let's take it out of this bitch. We're raising this motherfucker up to 450. Now that this is boiling, I'm gonna take my twisted test pretzel. That's in there for 10 seconds. Flip her over. Another 10 seconds. Set her aside. The ugly pretzel. I tried before. The first one was the best. Let's take a chunk. I'm gonna make a dome out of it. I'm making our burgers later because I don't know how big this pretzel is right now. And so on. While we wait, we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the pretzels. 10 seconds apiece on both sides. So we got our little X's in there, our marks. We're gonna hit them with salt hard. That's what makes it a pretzel, right? Okay, this is the part where we pray and hope that it comes out good. What's praying without a little, whatever you Catholics or Christians call it, sacrament. Our oven is preheated to 450. I'm gonna throw these motherfuckers in here. It says 16 minutes. You know, it's nice because if I fuck up these pretzels, I can still make the burger. Alright, and we're back. Let's take them out the oven. At the oven. Oh, look at that. They look incredible. Look at that. Look, isn't it pretty? Yeah, I forgot to film. I was totally drunk. The paper got stuck to the bottom, but that's okay. We can just take that off. Easy. Woo! Woo! Big old bowl. Throw some ground beef. Let's defrost and accidentally cook a little bit of that ground turkey that we didn't finish last time. And mix it up. And let's throw some shit in there too. Like garlic. Into the bowl. Alright, let's just hit it with a little bit of salt. Oopsies. pepper, and salt. Fuck. Bash it up. Alright, here's my assembly line. I got the meat, got the patty, and the oil in the pan, hot, and I'm putting it right there. Okay, so I got some lettuce, some tomatoes, mayonnaise, made mac and cheese, got the burgers and some broccoli for a side, and now we have this. Oh, this is beautiful. This is cracking as a motherfucker. Alright everybody, see you later.